Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we saw how to write the program in SAP ABAP. So in this particular video, we'll try to write some of the simple programs in SAP ABAP. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, like in the last video, we saw how to give the input and how to get the output in SAP ABAP. We saw how to get the output as hello world. Okay, so now let's try to write some of the other simple programs. Okay, so let's try by writing the simple programs. So what I will do is I will just try to write some simple program data, and here I will give something like a phone number, or okay, we'll go with the city of some uh, 9 to 10 characters, which is of type character. Okay, so we'll end this line with the point. As I told in the previous video, whatever the programs you're writing in SAP ABAP, that particular line should end with the full stop. In technical terms, we call it as point. Okay, so type C, and here I will try to assign some value. So here you can see the data, and here you can see the city, which is a variable and which is of the type characters. Okay, so this is the length of the variable, and here I will try to give city is equal to, I will try to give some name, try to give it as Bangalore, and here I will end with the full stop, and finally I will write it as right city. Okay, so now we'll see if there is any kind of error in this particular simple program. Okay, so first I will save it, check it. So here you can see the no syntax errors found, and we'll try to activate it. And now I will try to run this program by clicking on direct processing. So here we should get the output as city, which is Bangalore. So here you can see hello world Bangalore. Okay, because previously I have run the program with the simple program as write hello world, and here I have written the simple program with the data and the city as a variable, which is of the character length 10, and the which is of the type character. Okay, and here I have assigned city is equal to Bangalore, and finally I am trying to get the output of whatever the value assigned to the city. So this is how you can write the simple programs in SAP ABAP. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you when it all. Thank you. Bye bye.